Let's now understand the details of Covishield vaccine. Number one, it is made by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. It is administered in 2 doses. There were trials that were conducted on 65,000 participants, and the efficacy rate is all the way up to 80%, and it can easily be stored in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the temperature that it requires. There are 5 crore doses that are ready at the moment in India. The cost is 440 rupees per person, which is the government rate, and 700 to 800 rupees per person, which is the market rate. Let's get you Covaxin now. And under Covaxin, what are the details? It has been developed by Bharat Biotech. Its efficacy rate is 60%. There were trials conducted on 13,000 participants for Covaxin. There are 10 million doses of Covaxin that are ready at the moment. The clinical trial is based on 2-dose schedule. 2 doses are given in a gap of 28 days. The vaccine efficacy is to be determined 4 days post the 2nd dose. Milan and Ashutosh both join us live on this particular broadcast. Milan, to you first. You track the Health Ministry. You please encapsulate all that has happened in the press conference of the DCGI, the vaccination approval, to the docket that was handed out to the press, because they were not taking those questions, to any kind of concerns at the moment as well. And what are the highlights basically of the vaccine in terms of who gets the vaccine first, because this is an emergency approval?
Well, Chaiti, who gets the vaccine first is the next question that everybody would be asking for a few more days now, because we'll be looking at a rollout within days from the current approvals that have been given to Covaxin as well as Covishield. So definitely that wait is not going to be long. But yes, there are certain concerns that are being raised at this point, as the Drug Controller General India chose not to take questions about concerns of the efficacy. We have been told that Covishield has been shown an efficacy of 70.42%. After the 2-dose regimen, of course, but Bharat Biotech's efficacy details were not revealed, although the Drug Controller General did say that it has found to be safe in results that have come from about 800 participants. We know that they looked at the phase 1-2 data, because the phase 3 data is yet not complete. But even though the reasons that have been given by the Drug Controller General to provide an express approval for these 2 vaccines is because India needs to start vaccination now. I mean, it's about time. And then another very important point is that certainly once the first set of healthcare workers would get the vaccine, it would also help in breaking the chain of transmission, because a large section of the population needs to be inoculated in order to make sure that the spread doesn't happen. Another very important point, Chaiti, that the Drug Controller General has mentioned is the UK strain has also come into India. So India is not going to, let it pass by. Of course, Bharat Biotech is an indigenous vaccine, and the way it's been made, it's going to look at the changes also that have come in due to the UK strain. And it's important now that India begin its vaccination. But many questions there from experts on the opacity at which, the data has been shared by. So there is definitely a need to answer many questions by the Drug Controller General for the fact that the SEC panel is not even known. The experts in the SEC panel are independent, but their details are not even made public. So there are many questions, Chaiti.
Yes, absolutely. Let's take this straight across to Ashutosh Mishra standing by as well. Ashutosh, if you could just give us a sense of what the dry runs really are looking like, and the rollout, how it is going to happen. And again, the big question, when is the common man likely to get it?
So it's just a matter of days, and you also, you have seen what the other Poonawalla, tweeted through social media, where he said that it's a matter of weeks when the, it will be rolled out. Through the dry run, the government has already ensured, a robust mechanism of the distribution. So what we know, that as per the process, the government need to sign purchase agreement with these vaccine makers. Then through the distribution chain, it will be provided to the different states. States authority will be sending it to districts through the chains that will be established in next few days. In fact, if you remember, the Prime Minister, when held a meeting with states, chief ministers, that was also a talk about ensuring distribution center, cold storages to keep these vaccines safer. So all these these mechanisms are already in place and states are working on it. The Delhi government has announced there will be free vaccination for everyone, those who are living in the national capital. The Union Health Minister said there will be free vaccination for all the frontline workers and the health workers. And as we know, the priority has already been decided. The government has the data and the list of frontline workers, the health staff, those who are fighting against this pandemic on front foot. So they will be vaccinated first, and that is not going to be really a challenge because the data is ready. The mechanism has already been seen through the dry run. And Chaiti, if you remember, India has already defeated the polio kind of, the wide outbreak that was in the country, and that experience will definitely going to work. And look at the coincidence, it was Dr. Harshvardhan who was then Union Minister when the polio campaign was started, and now he's Health Minister when this campaign is going to begin to defeat corona. Right. These, indigenous vaccines have been made by Indian companies. So clearly, yeah, go ahead.
No, you can go ahead, but we were just bringing our viewers up to speed on the process in terms of how to get vaccinated as well. Ashutosh, stay with us right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.